Hello! I'm making sesame balls with a red bean filling. In a bowl, add 125 milliliters of hot water and 50 grams of sugar. Mix to dissolve the sugar. In a separate bowl, add 155 grams of glutinous rice flour and the sugar water mixture from before. Mix until a dough forms. Add 2 grams of oil and mix again. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Sprinkle a board with flour and roll out the dough. Split the dough in half since there is a large quantity. Cut into 7 parts. Press until a flat circle. Add filling. I'm using red bean. Shape and roll the dough until it is a ball. To make a slurry, add glutinous rice flour and water. Mix. In another bowl, add sesame seeds. I'm also using black sesame seeds. Dip the dough into the slurry and then add it to the bowl of sesame seeds. Cut the dough until it is all the way covered. In a pan, add oil until it is enough to cover the dough balls. Fry for 6 minutes or until golden. Continuously mix to make sure the dough doesn't stick to the bottom. The oil should begin to bubble. The crunchiness of the sesame seeds perfectly balance the smoothness of the red bean filling. With a crispy shell and a mochi-like inside, sesame balls are a delight.